at the Union Schoolhouse along the Day 4 Ozark Overland Adventure Trail. If you haven't had a chance to stop by and visit, we recommend that also. And you can get these spots in a day, as we've stopped at, and they've recently added this this iron fence here. Keep people from getting into the yard and tearing the yard up. It's a very peaceful, beautiful place, and I know that the people here in this community are proud of it, and they should be. So they've provided a picnic table, a couple picnic tables, one larger one here if you wanted to have a little picnic while you were here, and a smaller one. And they've also provided, there's the old well right there you can pump some water out of. And they've made where you can park over here across the road. And they got a little entrance here. And says that we will take donations for upkeep. Donations for upkeep, school, and mowing would be greatly appreciated. Dustin Holben, thank you. So we're going to drop in a donation. The Black Sheep Overland Adventures. And we're proud to support hardworking people trying to maintain a bit of history, and we really appreciate it. We're gonna drop them in a 10. That's what I got in my wallet. There it is, right there. Maybe that's all I got in there. There it is. Okay. Appreciate you folks out here maintaining this piece of history. It's about 40-50 yard walk from the gate. It's not really gated, it's an old-timey gate like my grandma and grandpa used to make. It's a little V gate. Walk through. They've got it really pretty. The paint looks nice on it. The old windows look good. All the trim looks nice. Old church pew on the porch here. Rock foundation, looks like. Here we have on the wall the National Register of Historic Places. The old door, old-timey doorknob there, and skeleton key style. Come inside, got the old pot-bellied stove there, cast iron stove, a chimney, brick chimney, stove pipe going through up high there. Really amazing old building. We've got a few desks in here. We've been told that they've redone the chalkboard, and the chalkboard does look really nice. Appreciate the folks who put out the effort to do that, and get these desks in here and get them mounted to the floor. That was the door slamming on its own. It's a draft. You got a real high ceiling in here. I'm going to say, let's see if we can get this gimbal to pan up there. Maybe it will. It's pretty mad at me. That ceiling is, I'm going to say 12 feet. 12 feet. So that's a look at the front of the classroom. And I'll walk up to the front here and try to get a shot of the back. Looks very nice. Oh man, as people are leaving their pictures, I wish we had that capability. Here we are panning around. And there's your chalkboard on the back. Looks very nice. So there's a couple, looks like, I don't know, offices, maybe the teacher was able to store some things in here. Very nice little room. There's some memorabilia in a glass case. Looks really very old. Books and records. There's also some history here mounted on the wall, framed, concerning the old schoolhouse. There.
David?
Yes.
The camera hangs right here for you to take your picture.
Oh. Okay. So Rachel just informed me that so they have these pictures on the wall for everybody. They leave a camera here for you to take that picture, and they get them developed and hang your picture on the wall. So I'm gonna try to get my group in here. There's some more of the history there on the wall. Yeah, there's looks like a 35mm camera. It might be digital, I don't know. Right there. There's what the kids would have been able to, see out as they're in class, the windows. Not sure what is up with this thing. It's part of the design, the window above the door there. And that back years ago, they would actually open that up. See, that the reason it's closed is to keep the heat in these two rooms right now. And during the summertime, or when it got close to summer for school, they would prop those windows, kick them out, and let the air mix and blend between the two rooms. There's a stage, chalkboard above the stage there, yeah, really nice stage. Looks like a teacher's or a preacher's pulpit here, very nice, beautiful. Everything is dated, very old here. Rachel and I own a home that our daughter and son-in-law live in that have these style doorknobs and latches on them. They're very, very old. So, wow, really neat. This is just a broom closet under the stairs. And this here is another door going out. I'm gonna go up here on the stage and give you a look at the back of the room. Another spare room here. Got a really neat old desk in here. That is just magnificent. I don't know if it's been donated or if it was part of the school, but it's really, really dated. Here is the stairwell going upstairs, and I just don't know if they want anybody going up there. There may be some safety concerns, so I'll just kind of give you an idea of what those stairs look like. I won't go up there out of respect, not knowing. Here I come back on the stage. It's the chalkboard, sits behind the stage. I think I'll put my name on there. Maybe put a plug in for Black Sheep Overland Adventures. There's the chalkboard in the back. Looks very nice. Very nice, good looking. And there's the stove for this room, wood stove. And the desks here, you get a good idea of what it would have been like, you know, a century ago or so. Wonderful, wonderful.
We are exhausted.
Yes.